What do you mean by Adibala Pravritta Vikara? How to understand Adibala Pravritta Vikara? What is the word meaning of Sahaja Vikara? That is the topic of discussion in this particular video. Dear ANA community, press the like button and spread this particular video to maximum number of true Nidana learners so that we can make a huge movement out of this particular small message. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that the YouTube algorithms will be fetching you the right information at the right time for the right purpose. Sushruta. When you think about the Adibala Pravritta Vikara, it is being mentioned in Sushruta Samhita, which is being having the four main words Adi, Bala, Pravritta and Vikara. So when you think about the Adi in the sense, that is initial, that means before the formation of Garbha. Bala in the sense the strength. Here the strength refers to strength of the pathogen. Pravritta, which is being manifested because of the defect present in the before the formation of Garbha. So that is the Vikara, the diseases which are being manifested because of the dominance of the pathogen present in the before the formation of Garbha. That means the Shukra and Shonita. So that is being termed as Adibala Pravritta Vikara. So the text says Adibala Pravritta A Shukra Shonita Doshanvayaha Kushtarshaha Pravrittayaha Tebid Vividaha Matrajaha Pitrajascha. So the description told in Sushruta Samhita, that is Adibala Pravritta A Shukra Shonita Doshanvayaha. So that is the defect is present in the Shukra, or what we can say the male, what you say that the sperm, and Shonita, that is the ovum, where the defects are being present in the sperm or ovum. So that is being considered to be Adibala Pravrittaha. Examples are being given: Kushtha Arshaha Pravrittayaha, Kushtha, Arshas, etc. They are of two categories: Matrujaha, Pitrajascha. Whenever the defect is present in the ovum, so then there will be the possibility of Matruja Vikara, what we can say. And when there is Shukra is being defective, the offspring may suffer from the Pitruja Vikara. The Dalhana says, Adibala Pravrittaha Dushta Shukra Shonita Valajataha. So that is the defect is being present in the Shukra or Shonita because of the dominance of the pathogen present in the Shukra or Shonita. So that will be responsible for the Adibala Pravritta Vikara. E Shukra Shonita Doshanvayaha iti Shukra Shonita Sthita Vatadi Dosha Janitaha. If the Shukra is having the defect of Vata Dosha dominance, then the offspring may have Vata Dosha dominant Vikara. If the ovum or the Shonita is having the Kapha Dosha dominance, then the progeny may have the Kapha Dosha dominant diseases. In that way, Taneva Namato Darshayati. The examples are being given for the namesake. They are Kushtha, Arshaha, Pravrittayaha. So here the Prabhriti refers to Meha and Kshaya. Meha refers to the Prameha and Kshaya refers to Raja Yakshma. So here Matruja iti Matuhu Shonitajaha, wherein the defect is being present in the Shonita. Pitrajascha iti Pittuhu Shukrajaha, where the defect is present in the Shukra. When you think about the description told in Ashtanga Sangraha, so this is somewhere relatable to Sahaja Vikara. Tatra Sahajaha Shukrartava Doshanvayaha Kushtarsho Mehadayaha Pitrajaha Matrajascha. So they are Sahaja Vikara, wherein the defect will be observed in the Shukra or Shonita. Examples are being given: Kushtha, Arsha, Mehadaya, that is Prameha, etc. They are again of two categories: Pitrajaha, Matrajascha. When you think about the Adibala Pravritta Vikara, wherein the defect may be observed in the Shonita, wherein the offspring may have the, what do you say, that Shonita Dushtijanya Vikara, whereas the In another situation, there may be a possibility of defect present in the Shukra, wherein the offspring may have Shukra dominant diseases. The examples given in the text are Kushtha, so that is the spectrum of the diseases wherein the dysfunction of the skin may be noted, maybe in the form of itching, maybe in the form of sweating disturbances, maybe in the form of discoloration, etc. etc. Wherein the second example is being given Arshas, wherein the spectrum of the diseases where there will be the, what do you say, that the Mamsa Dhatujanya Vikara that will be observed in the anal region, what we can say the hemorrhoids as such. Prameha, wherein the spectrum of the diseases where there will be excessive micturition that may be observed, or there may be a possibility of avila mutra, or what we can say the turbid urine that will be eliminated via, what do you say, that the mutra vahasrotas. Kshaya, that is Raja Yakshma, wherein the person may be suffering from the, what do you say, that Saptadhatu Kshaya Janya Vikara. To sum up, Adibala Pravritta Vikara, they are having four different terms: Adi, Bala, Pravritta, and Vikara, wherein the defect may be observed prior to the formation of Garbha. In a sense, the defect will be observed in the Shukra and Shonita itself. So that means the main pathogen that is being present in the, what do you say, that the bija itself, what we can say Shukra or Shonita. These are responsible for the disease manifestations in the children. Adibala Pravritta A Shukra Shonita Doshanmayaha Kushtha Arshah Pravrittayaha Tepi Dvividaha Matrujaha Pitrujascha. This is the description mentioned in Sushruta Samhita. Tatra Sahajaha Shukrartava Doshanmayaha Kushtarsho Mehadayaha Pitruja Matrujascha. Description told in Ashtanga Sangraha Sutrasthana 22nd chapter. When you think about this, Adibala Pravritta Vikara or Sahaja Vikara, these are attributable to the genetic diseases, or what we can say the hereditary diseases, wherein the defect may be observed in the sperm or ovum. Dear ANA community, that's all for today. What are the major key takeaways from today's discussion mentioned in the comment box below? What is the one video that you'd like to hear in the coming days in this particular channel mentioned in the comment box below? And spread this particular video to maximum number of true Nidana learners so that we can make a huge movement out of this particular small message. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that the YouTube algorithms will be fetching you the right information, the right time for the right purpose. That's all for today. Something more in the next video. Thank you.